Are you a payee or rep using Sales Cookie and need to ask your commissions administrator a question? Let me show you how easy it is to submit an inquiry within Sales Cookie. Navigate to the commission statement for the correct period. You can use the Inquiries tab to submit an inquiry. Frankly, my preferred method is to do it directly from the Credits tab of your commission statement. Scroll down to find the sales transaction you have questions about. You have an opportunity to review the details and then click to submit your inquiry. So once you put in your description, any pertinent information you want to submit, the admin will get an automatic email alert regarding your question. And while you wait, you can actually see this open inquiry on the Inquiries tab as well as on the Credits tab, where the transaction will be highlighted in red to show that the inquiry is unresolved. The automated email alert will take your commissions administrator directly to your open inquiry. They can also access it via the dashboard under inquiries. The system will try to help them see all the underlying details, including the transaction and any corresponding crediting and commissions as applicable. Once they document that resolution, you're going to be able to see that real time within your own dashboard. So if you were logged in on the Inquiries tab, you can see the administrator's response. In fact, on the Credits tab, also, you will now see that sales transaction highlighted in green, and you can see the exact same resolution there. So that's it. Fast, transparent, and easy to follow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.